Hi, I'm Dr. Stephen Heilman, and I'm a chiropractor in the city of Escondido, California. In 2014, I became the first facility in Escondido to feature Class 4 laser therapy. And to this day, we continue to have the only Class 4 deep tissue laser in Escondido. And not only do we have the deep tissue laser, but with this amazing success that we have, the demand for it, we actually feature two of these powerful laser systems that we use in our spinal decompression treatments and our sports injury treatment protocols. So with our light cure and dial-wave lasers, during and after the treatment, our patients feel like $1 million. So why does it work so well? What we have at our office is a Class 4 deep tissue laser, and it's unlike cold lasers, which are either a Class 2 or 3B laser. This is way more powerful. Any laser that's a Class 4 laser has to power at least a half a watt of energy or more, and our dial-wave and light cure lasers have a maximum output of up to 30 watts. The indication for the use of laser in physical medicine or physical therapy is to reduce inflammation, reduce pain, and accelerate the healing process. And this is accomplished by triggering parts on the cellular level of the injured tissues. And unlike the retina of the eye, which has cells that have light receptors, our cells throughout the rest of our body have certain portions within the cell called chromatophores that are accepting of the light, most importantly, the cellular membrane of the mitochondria of every cell that we have. And there's a whole biochemical cascade of events that occurs when those membranes are stimulated by this very powerful laser beam of light that triggers the entire process of reducing the inflammation, reducing the pain, and accelerating the healing process. There's an associated mild soothing warmth with the treatment when it's being applied, but it's not really the warmth that is creating the healing, but it is the beam of infrared wavelength light that results in the healing effects. The light from our laser is able to penetrate up to 4 inches into the tissue compared to a therapeutic ultrasound, which its most therapeutic range is about 1.5 centimeters deep, and it gets up to 2 inches, but most of it's very shallow. The reason why this penetrating effect is so important, I'm going to show you on a spinal model. So when you're dealing with a back injury, one of the most common sources of pain is from an injured spinal disc. So when you're looking at this, this is the bone here and here, and this is the spinal disc in between. And this is when you're feeling down the back of your back, you're feeling the tips of these bones. So if you go all the way to the beginning of where the disc is, that's 2 inches, which is already past where the ultrasound can reach. And then it's about another 1.5 inch thickness of the disc. So to influence healing this disc, you have to be able to penetrate up to 4 inches deep into the tissue. The laser is able to do that. So that's really where the laser really shines, is being able to get that deeper penetration of the tissue. Also with sports injuries, if you're dealing with like pulled back muscles because they're so thick, you want them to be able to get really deep in the tissue, or if you're dealing with the muscles surrounding the knees like quadriceps or hamstring muscles, gastrocs, those are all very extremely thick muscles, and you want to have the therapy able to penetrate deep into that tissue, whether it's a muscle, it's a disc, a shoulder or a hip injury, knee injury. You need to get something that can get the full thickness of the joint. If you're struggling with the back injuries or sports injuries, and the treatments that you're getting isn't getting the response that you want, you can call our office at 760-480-4480. We can schedule for a free consultation, tell you what we may think about your injury, whether it may respond to the laser therapy or one of our other therapies to get you the fastest way to get out of the muscle spasm and the pain. Our goal is to get you out of pain really fast and get you back to your pre-injury status so you can have your full quality of life again. Again, I'm Dr. Stephen Heilman. You can call us at 760-480-4480. And we can go through and schedule you for an appointment. And you can also find us at heilmanchiropractic.net.